Ginger is a root that's native to Asia and has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. It's known for its spicy taste and its ability to help with a variety of health issues, from nausea and inflammation to pain and infections. One of the main benefits of ginger for treating candidiasis is its ability to help fight off fungal infections. Ginger contains natural compounds that have antifungal properties, meaning they can help kill off the candida fungus that causes candidiasis. Additionally, ginger can help boost the immune system, which can help the body fight off infections more effectively. So how can you use ginger to treat candidiasis? One effective way is to make a ginger tincture, which is a concentrated liquid extract of ginger that can be taken orally. Here's what you'll need to make your own ginger tincture at home. Fresh ginger root, enough to fill a small jar. High-proof alcohol, such as vodka or brandy. Small glass jar with a lid. Cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. Dropper bottle. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. To make the tincture, start by peeling and chopping the ginger root into small pieces. Fill the jar with ginger pieces, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top. Pour enough alcohol over the ginger to cover it completely, making sure there are no air bubbles. Screw the lid onto the jar and shake it well to mix the ginger and alcohol. Place the jar in a cool, dark place and let it sit for at least 2 weeks, shaking it once a day. After 2 weeks, strain the liquid through cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer to remove the ginger pieces. Pour the tincture into a dropper bottle and store it in a cool, dark place. To use the ginger tincture for candidiasis, simply take 10 to 20 drops in a small amount of water 2 to 3 times per day. You can also add the tincture to tea or other beverages if you prefer. It's important to note that while ginger tincture can be a helpful natural remedy for candidiasis, it should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. If you have a severe or persistent case of candidiasis, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best course of treatment. In conclusion, ginger is a powerful and versatile root that can be a helpful natural remedy for many health issues, including candidiasis. By making your own ginger tincture, you can harness the antifungal properties of ginger to help fight off the candida fungus and support your body's immune system. Thanks for listening, and we hope this guide has been helpful in your journey to better health.